Good morning, student. So in the last video we have studied the formula method to solve the quadratic equation. So in this video we are going to start the new topic, that is nature of a root of a quadratic equation. So there are three conditions. As you know, in the last video we have studied x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a are the roots of a quadratic equation. Are the roots of quadratic equation. The general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, right? So in formula method we got this x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a is the root of the quadratic equation, right? So in this video we are going to study the nature of this root. So first of all, your first condition is if this is called discriminant, right? So if your discriminant value b square minus 4ac, right? So if your discriminant value is equals to 0, right, then your root will be x is equals to minus b plus minus under root 0 upon 2a. So this is nothing but your what? X minus b upon 2a. Clear? So whenever if your discriminant value is 0, your b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, then the nature of the root is the roots of quadratic equation are real and equal. Are real and equal. Clear? So in the first condition, when you are going to find the value of discriminant, means your b square minus 4ac value is equals to 0, then the nature of the root is real and equal. Clear? Now see the second condition. If your b square minus 4ac value is greater than 0, if it is positive, then the nature of the root, so your x value will be x is equals to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and x is equals to minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. But these are the roots of the equation. So if your b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the nature of the root will be real and unequal, right? If it is equals to 0, then it is real and equal. If it is greater than 0, then it is real and unequal. Now the third condition. If it is less than 0, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then roots are not real. If it is less than 0, then your x value will be x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. If it is less than 0 means it will be in the negative form, and if it is in the negative form, then these are not real. Clear? Then the roots of a quadratic equation are not real. Clear? And the nature of the root for quadratic equation are not real. So we have studied the three conditions. If it is equals to 0, then if your b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, then your nature of the root will be real and equal. In the short form we can write like this. First, if your b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, then the nature of the root will be real and equal. Second, if your b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then it is real and unequal. And third, if it is less than 0, then not real. Clear? And the nature of the root will be not real. Now we'll see the sum. See the example. Find the value of discriminant. We have to find the value of discriminant. Of the equation x square plus 10x minus 7 equals to 0. So first we are going to compare this equation, right? Compare करेंगे with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So therefore your a value will be 1, your b is 10 and your c is minus 7. Then we are going to find the discriminant, means value of b square minus 4ac. Substitute the value. You will get 10 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 7. 10 square is 100. Minus minus plus 4 ones are 4. Then 4 sevens are 28. Minus minus plus. So your answer is 128. So this is how you are going to solve the sum of the exercise, where they are going to ask you for the value of discriminant. Then you have to find the value of b square minus 4ac. Next, determine the nature of a root of a quadratic equation. So we have to determine the nature of the root of this quadratic equation. So first we are going to compare this equation. Compare 2x square minus 5x plus 7 is equals to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So you will get a is equals to 2, b is equals to minus 5 and c is equals to 7. Now we are going to find the value of discriminant. There is a b square minus 4ac, which is equals to minus 5 square minus 4 into 2 into 7. Clear? 5 square is square of a negative number is always positive. So minus 5 square will be 25. Here you will get 4 2s are 8, 8 7s are 56. So 25 minus 56 means your answer is in the negative form. So you will get, and determinant is represented by discriminant. This is a discriminant which is represented by capital D. So you can just write like this also, D is equals to, or you will get minus 31. Clear? You can write capital D over here. Capital D means discriminant. Clear? This is called discriminant. So your discriminant value is minus 31. Means your b square minus 4ac is less than 0. And just now we have studied the nature of the root. When the value of discriminant is less than 0, then the nature of the root is not real. So you will write, therefore the roots of the equation are not real. Clear? So roots of the equations are not real. So this is how you are going to solve the sum based on the nature of the root of the quadratic equation. Clear? I hope you all understood this much.